Subic Freeport is the All Hands Beach, which is up toward the actual airport, and which is now, there's the sign, and you got this little building up here. Hello, sir. Hello. I'm just gonna go out here and do just take a look real fast, and got some music in the background. See the outline of the quay wall. This is part of take a look. Take a walk around. It's like a lot of water sports going on. Off the edge. And check it out. This is kind of another view from the other end. Just another view from the other end here at All Hands Beach. Give you an idea what it looks like from this side. And you got these little cabanas. You're gonna take a tour around. But if you see in the distance, there's obvious, that is a container terminal, which is looks like it's been recently constructed over the last 10 years. And this is what looks like. And I think you can rent these still. Pretty cool to be here. I mean, obviously they've redeveloped this place, but it's pretty neat. And they still maintain the same old name to it, which is All Hands. They're the same. And got some more in the background. kind of a mini tour. What's here? Obviously this is probably all been reconstructed, redesigned, but hotels. This is another shot of the beach. They do keep it really tidy and clean, which is good. I'm gonna walk up here on the top. Maybe I get a better view. Actually on the top up here around Center Beach. And nobody's really staying here. I mean, you can, I think, but nobody's here. That's the other end. And you can see the container terminal off in the distance. You can see the cruise ship terminal right across the bay. Grandy Island is out there to the left around the point. How you doing? All right, so that is my tour. How you doing?
Hello, sir.
Hello. And this is it of what's here now at All Hands Beach. You know, if you like this content, you know, please consider subscribing. I travel to a lot of places and I like to see really cool things, and I wanted to really check this place out today. So thank you very much for following along. This is the end of this video, and this is a lasting shot of All Hands Beach. See ya in the next video.